You have a lot of experience in industry. What do you think are good paths to jumpstart a career in information technology? For instance, a person could learn SQL, get a help desk position, and work their way up from there. They could learn Python or Java programming. Are those still good ways to enter the IT space?
Absolutely. There's many ways to get in there, and I think all of those are very valid and relevant ways. I think getting that first job is probably the biggest key. And so I think some students they come in thinking they have an idea of what it means to be a developer or a programmer or a systems administrator, but they don't really understand it until they get into it. And so I've seen students that come in and as they're going through class, or even maybe they've gotten their first job and they realize boy, I love being in this tech field, but there's a different job that I like even more within the tech field. And going through SQL class or becoming an expert in using SQL and writing reports or being a data analyst versus becoming a developer, those are both very good paths just to get in and maybe get into a company and start working in the tech field and then get a better understanding of how to do that. So if it's going to come back to networking again or what jobs are available, a lot of times that first job is just what's out there and what's available right now. And then you get into that job and you realize that there's different avenues you can even move into within the same company, even. So I would say do a little bit of research of what jobs are available and what's most in demand right now.
Yeah,
And
that can
look at
vary from region to region. Yeah.
it does, absolutely. And in fact, it's not just even a type of job. It depends on what industry. In some regions, like some areas of the country are very Java heavy, whereas other parts of the country are much more C sharp heavy. It just depends on what companies are there and what talent pool is there. And so you tend to have the same type of developers in that area.